Hi, I'm Ryan Agnew, and my partner Lucas Reeves and I have created the project The Iceboard. About the iceboard. Have you ever been frustrated by only having one thing to choose from? Have you ever wanted to try something new and exciting? The iceboard gives you the option to choose a new, exciting, never been done creation. What is the iceboard? The iceboard, as a prototype, is a ripstick with skates attached to it. We used a ripstick as a prototype because it can easily move on flat land without having to place your foot off of the board. As you can see in the pictures, we removed the wheels from the ripstick and put wood designs of ice skates on it. We designed the wooden skates by creating them using an online 3D designing program called Fusion 360 and printed them with a laser cutter, creating the outlines of the wooden skates. Finally, we assembled the prototype. So what problem does the iceboard solve? In one word, choice. With ice skating, it's very repetitive and boring, so we want to design a fun, new way to participate in ice skating. The iceboard gives people the choice to not just ice skate, but to have the options and variety when going to the ice skating rink. The definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again. And that is a quote by Albert Einstein. And this applies to only being able to ice skate and not using our new ice board. So here's some inventions that were made a long time ago. So rollerblades were invented in the 1760s, while skateboards were invented in the 1950s. Modern skis were invented in 1928, while snowboards were invented in 1965. And finally, ice skates were invented 5,000 years ago, while the new ice board will be invented in the coming years with our final product. So, in conclusion, the ice board is following a good trend. Our target audience. Our target audience is anyone who is interested in ice skating and wants to try a new way to ice skate. More specifically, I would probably target parents and families because ice skating is more a family activity, but it's also somewhere to hang out with your friends. So, our competition. Our competition will obviously be ice skate brands like Harlick and John Wilson, but for our product, we have no competition at all. Our future goals. Our future goals for this project is to design our own board by studying the physics of ice skates to have prime mobilization for a board that we eventually create. We have already created a presentation studying the physics of both a ripstick and how it moves on flat land so well, and how ice skates can accelerate on the ice and go faster, so we could design it with our board to go as fast as possible, almost as fast as real ice skates. And again, we used the Ripstik as a prototype because it moves very well on flat land, just like we would want our ice board to do. And thank you. That is it. You should invest in the ice board.